Alright, so it's time. I need to change the battery in my 2010 BMW F650GS. It's got the twin cylinder engine, 800 cc's, even though it's still called an F650. My battery just arrived yesterday. I bought another Scorpion brand battery. I went with the YTX14-BS. So to access this piece of the fairing, you're going to need a Torx bit. T25 is the size. Next, you're going to need to remove, right below the ignition, this Torx bit. And on the opposite side, if you can see that, it's this Torx bit. Okay, turning the steering wheel definitely can help. Alright, I'm going to speed things up. 18-volt drill here. And I've got a flex attachment here. Protecting our paint. I've got my 6 Torx fasteners loosened and removed. Let's see if we can get this out. Okay, now we just have our connection still in there. So the 12-volt accessory here, just gotta disconnect the wire there. Pretty smart German design. So now that you've got the fairing removed, you can see your battery. You're going to need your Torx 30, and you're going to need to remove this plastic bracket that is securing the battery to the motorcycle. Okay. Alright. Now, I'm going to get my Phillips screwdriver and we're going to release the negative terminal first, and then we're going to release the positive. Get my Phillips here. Gerald, how you doing? I like to call the cat Gerald, even though it's not his name. Okay, let's remove our current battery. Non-spillable, made in Vietnam. Have to check. I'm curious if the new one's made in China or also Vietnam. It says China. Okay, got our new battery here. Got some extra connectors. Got some warnings. Alright, so I'll probably write on the box the date that we installed it, but I'll have this video to remember as well. Okay, so the fit seems pretty good. Okay. All right, so let's get our plastic secured. Okay. All right, new batteries installed. So when you are changing or replacing the battery in a 2010 F650GS, tools you're going to need, you're definitely going to want some needle nose pliers to help with the connectors. You're going to need a Torx T25, a Torx T30, and depending on your battery terminals, you may need a Phillips or maybe a straight slot screwdriver. But that's about it.